Life with my dogs.
Every dog deserves the chance to run, play, and live freely. But for dogs with missing or injured limbs, mobility can be a huge challenge. Thanks to 3D printing technology, custom prosthetics are now giving disabled dogs a brand new leash on life. Traditional prosthetics are often expensive and hard to fit. But with 3D printing, veterinarians and designers can create lightweight, affordable, and perfectly fitted prosthetics tailored to each dog's unique size and needs. The process begins with scanning or measuring the dog's limb, then designing a digital model before printing the final piece. Once fitted, these prosthetics allow dogs to walk, run, and even climb stairs with ease. Many owners describe the moment their pet takes their first steps with a prosthetic as truly emotional. Seeing their best friend regain independence and joy is priceless. From rescue dogs to family pets, countless success stories prove the power of this technology. Dogs once limited by disability are now enjoying active, happy lives, reminding us that innovation can change not just lives, but entire futures. What's even more inspiring is how communities, universities, and animal charities are collaborating to make 3D printed prosthetics more widely available. This means more dogs, regardless of background, can benefit from this breakthrough. "3D printing is proving that with creativity and compassion, we can give disabled dogs the freedom they deserve." Would you consider supporting this innovation for animals? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring dog stories.
Life with my dogs.